I'm Darren Acup with Ramco in St. Louis, and I'm going to show you the Omron 1SA servo system. This is an addition to the Omron Motion offering that provides us with additional safety stop features. Historically, we've always had the servo drive be able to react to a safety situation like an emergency stop, and the motor will stop and the system will remove torque from the motor for safe access. Uh, but now we have the options of multiple 8 different modes that we can choose from that will allow us in the application that if you need to have motion still be enabled for any kind of specific reason for your process, we can do it and we can do it safely. So like an example here, I have it in, let's say we have a filler and we've got bottles going through there. And if the bottle falls down, we may not necessarily want to stop the system, but we only want it to make sure it only goes in one direction. So we can do that with this system here. So that way we can request that we want access to the servo by requesting it. And when we see that we have the access available to us, then I can open the door, and then you'll notice that the system only goes in one direction. And when we fix whatever the problem is, I remove the access, the system goes back to its normal operation that it previously did. Well, we do have 8 different safety stop modes that we can have. We have the traditional safe torque off, all the way to the safe direction, which I just demonstrated, or we could have safe limited speed, so that way the system will only go at a fixed speed. We do have safe stop that will allow it to come to a controlled stop, but still have holding torque. So depending on what the application requires, we have the flexibility of doing that. And we can also do that as needed depending on what the process is happening. So we could do a standard safe torque off. Let's say if a light screen is broken, but if we need access to a door, we could do the safe limited speed. So on the fly, we can switch between which safety modes that we need for the motion application. If this is of interest to you, please contact Ramco. We'd be happy to assist.